Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you through the exciting process of decorating a big living room using a variety of stylish components. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refresh your space, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, let's establish the foundation of our design. We're going to start by placing a large and comfortable sofa as the focal point of the room. Make sure it's positioned in a way that encourages conversation and relaxation. Now, let's define the seating area by adding a luxurious area rug underneath the sofa and coffee table. This not only adds warmth and texture but also helps anchor the space. Lighting is key to setting the right ambience. Place elegant floor lamps strategically around the room, and don't forget to install stylish pendant lights above the coffee table. These will provide both functional and mood lighting. Next, let's enhance the functionality of the room. Incorporate a versatile coffee table for drinks, books, and decor. A TV console or entertainment center goes against one wall, providing a stylish home for your electronics. Now, it's time to infuse your personality into the design. Arrange your favorite books, decorative items, and art pieces on the bookshelves, fireplace mantel, and media cabinets. This adds visual interest and a personal touch. To boost comfort, add a variety of throw pillows to the sofa and chairs. Mix and match patterns and textures to create an inviting and stylish look. Incorporate mirrors strategically on the walls to reflect light and make the room feel larger. Add a touch of nature with plant stands placed near windows or in corners. As we near the finishing line, hang curtains or drapes to frame your windows and add a touch of elegance. Finally, a bar cart in the corner can serve as both a functional piece and a stylish element for entertaining. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated big living room that combines comfort, style, and your unique personality. Remember, decorating is all about making the space your own while keeping functionality in mind. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you next time.